Okay, this is where we're going to start the journey from. This is Wago Agolo, the popular Wago Agolo. If you go that way, that's Ekulobia, Oga, Umuchu, Bobotibo, Nanka. And if you go that way, it's Oka. So yeah, that's where we're starting, and we're going that way. Nnewi is that way. Adazi, Neni, Nobi. Nnewi, Neni, Adazi, all the Adazis. Nobi. Okay, Titi. Ozobolo. Ihiala. I don't see them for my spirit. Hey guys, today we are taking you to Nnewi. If you're from Nnewi, come out here. We're going to pass a lot of towns. Adazi, Nimo. If your town is along that route, just come by, grab your tea, grab your popcorn. Today I'm traveling with my auntie, my big auntie. This is my real auntie, not Nigerian auntie. This is my mom's sister. And nearly we would have been sisters, but my grandma said, let me leave one for my daughter. Yes, that's why I went to my mom. Yes, if not, we would have been sisters.
Are you seeing the resemblance? From the eyes, you can notice what I'm saying.
Her name is Oyilidie. Oyilidie one Nanokwa. Obata Amalo. Obata Amalo. Obita Wata. So she's going to take us to Nnewi today. Yeah, she knows the route. I mean,
the pilots.
The pilots.
And the pilots. So join us. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. And we'll show you your father's compound. If you see your father's compound, let me know in the comments. For those of you who don't know where your father's compound is anymore, especially with all the development in Anambra State, keep your eyes peeled. All right.
Exactly.
So this is the start of our journey to Nnewi. Nnewi.
Hey.
The town that the roads are paved with gold.
And you sell all parts of any vehicle, any auto care of any type.
Yes, so.
Reverend. Okay, we need the horn.
So, as we were saying, Nnewi people, madre, they are the true definition of Akuluono. Wherever Nnewi people are. Yes, so wherever they are, they take their money home. Exactly. They make their money and go to their hometown and build an industry there. Yeah. A true definition of Akuluono. Very commendable.
Yes.
So we're going there today. If you're from Nnewi, gather round and other towns before Nnewi, as you will see. Better not St. Andrew. Yeah. St. Joseph, they call the hospital St. Joseph. Okay. St. Andrew. Loreto Special Science School. Any alumnus of Loreto? That's the way to Loreto. This is St. Andrew's Catholic Church, Adazi. Yeah, but the difference between all the others, car doesn't know.
Yes, this one is Adazi. Very soon, enter Adazi.
Okay.
For Adazi.
All the Adazis. See, of course, St. Joseph to hospital go. Come na St. Joseph I was go. Mana somebody can say Adazi. Okay, that's all that Loreto. This one leads to Obeledu, Akweze, Seed Road, Ibuku as well. Agluzibo. You have to Agluzibo.
Yes, but you will divert.
You have to divert. Yeah, I should know Nnewi. Okay. Na friendship na otu anno and may keep link like always some people now this surprised. Yeah, but be my friend to the others. Always some people how much they as in a keep link but na na make expect you continue to keep link. We won no dey fan. We won lo dey fan. E bo no buru so phone you can echukwa relationship. After some time when you feel say now by force, more than any excuses. More women what to do with my life, especially with the busy now. They say, no, I'm not going to continue to invest in a relationship with the one-sided. I'm not going to be busy. I ain't have not form busy. At this junction, left goes to Nnewi, to Young Shall Grow Motors hometown. Yeah. And right is Nemo. I need to bring down my camera because of these police people. This one goes to Nemo and the Enugu. This road. This one goes to Nnewi. Ni. That is it. This is Oruku on the right and Aziani on the left. is Oruku. This is Unported Junction. You see the sign there, Unported. Right goes to Apatete, Ogidi. And on here, we are continuing to Nnewi. And if was on the natural their father's compound. I can down my bed now. On one side, on one side. Ojiako Memorial. Yeah. Who's up the Federal Road? Jessica has to help us here. This is a neglect.
Sunrise of it. Owned by G.
Yeah. Wow. Rice clinic. All the standard, no. The GO, yeah, that's it.
This house is from here.
Yes.
We want to start working there. He has been working.
Has been working. Wants to work more.
You can, but when you get to Aqua, go like this. Otherwise, if you go like this.
So this is not that one that passed through your. Okay.
But you can still connect.
Connect it.
Anderson is towards this way.
Yeah.
This side. This end of
Anderson.
See more. No, just a short.
This is Nokwa. Oyilidi's husband's house.
Nokwa.
Yeah.
Maybe if any name, an average Nokwa man is educated.
Hey.
An average knock man is
Hello, can you quiet? He didn't a man go, never quite a knock on. Give me phone, I go, never know.
No, but I do it only in a very unique way. And people wonder that bread.
Oh, relegate Yago, Macaroff, no. Macanino, not know what can make it to
I want to move. You are not tired, but I tell you, bucket it. Igwe's Palace. No, Igbo Denibu Palace. Jackson 5. That's a 12 Man, we say. Man, we say.
5 masquerades.
Man, we say. Jackson 5.
Okay. No, okay.
You're already in Nnewi from here.
Ben Madowe.
If
any name, I know Rusa. Get out of jail. This is no pin.
You see, even Ododo house.
Who is Ododo?
Ododo now, former representing Idemi North and South in the Federal House. Today is Afo, so it will be busy. How much are traffic lights? Hey! Yes.
Obodo mepe kwa da mepe.
Yes.
What you can count down? Ana kwachi. Nacha. Ada chikwa nacha. you go right to Mpo, Onisha, Uke. Kedoha. And this one, Umoji and all. And this one, okay, Titi. Ibuku. All the way to Ekulobi as well. So now all the way to Nnewi.
I'm still moving down.
Ahead.
Motion.
I don't go Nnewi. Go once before. My roommate, my very good roommate. Na beha we knew. Na beha o chiriki shop Hanata school. Oma. The one phone I did. Well, nata, you know, one shakanabe. Say I'm Kim because the girl is such a nice girl. Say I'm the kid, Angeli and New Jetchner. And by the time now, she's a half a no key shop. I have done an net. So, one half cook. But then we got other keys in at the team, then at the punch. This is still Nobi.
Meanwhile, the honorable member, Barrister Chuka, is a woman representing Idemili South in Anambra State House of Assembly. He's from this area anyway.
Wow.
Yes.
Mocha phone.
Is it foreign name?
Yeah.
Look at Nnewi. We are there. every Nnewi woman
drives this lady's machine.
You will see a lot of them. Many of them there. In fact, you will still feeling it.
See them.
You are feeling it already. See this one carrying on.
She's carrying chicks and chickens. Ladies, Nnewi.
Those days, if you're married, if you're from Nnewi, or if you want to marry an Nnewi lady,
yeah,
you're sure of having a ladies' machine. They call it ladies' machine.
Yeah, because it's for ladies.
Yeah,
you have to buy her a ladies' machine.
They must use it to say bye bye to their daughter.
Yes, sir.
They must buy one. They must buy one. That is why the governor of Anambra State is having that kind-hearted for them, because it doesn't want to erase Okada or machine completely in Anambra because of Nnewi.
Because of Nnewi people.
They allow them to be driving this almighty machine. You see a lot of them as you are moving down. You'll be feeling it. I know that in this video before you are not seeing Okada or machine driving up and down, but here you will see it. You see a lot of them.
So this is Nnewi. We are already in Nnewi. You can see that all these towns are joined together. There's no distinction between them. So sometimes where there's no sign, you don't even know when you've entered another town because of development. Watch executive. Nnewi. Nnewi na-emesi ike. villages, like where they are. King's. Okay, this one is King's Palace Hotel. It's more King's Palace, as in their palace. Where is their Igwe's palace?
Their Igwe is Oris.
Oris. Maybe palace here.
So let's ask them direction.
Chibuike, are you there? When in your town, when your hometown, are you looking out for your daddy's house? Yeah, he's from Nnewi, one of my most supportive family members on YouTube. If not the most supportive. Everybody knows. Everybody knows
not from his family.
Which woman? Chibuike, my aunt is asking if this is your cousin or your. You know, this is funny. You know, you never know. Someone will just be passing and you see my family, you see my aunt, you see my this, see my that. You can see that this place is so built up. You would think that it's a state capital. It's so built up. Development. Nah, people do no can carry hanker. Our Lady of Assumption. Look at how big.
Ghana told them he will build house, they build church for them.
And he didn't.
They destroyed and started building. See the stage.
Hey.
In that time.
Oh my God.
He was vying for government.
He has won the
Senate.
He has won the Senate, no?
Yeah, I jumped to APC.
Oh, so let him come and finish what
he wanted to be the
governor.
He failed. So that one is hanging. But he will come back again. He really wants to be the governor.
Political governor. The political promise, no? Nnewi. Hey! Nah, this place is so busy. Oh, good on it.
So I don't know whether we should go like this. Can't leave the Igwe and go to a teaching hospital.
Let's go to their Igwe's place. Then we turn back and go to the teaching hospital as well. I just retire today. We must go everywhere today. So that I will pay my dues to Nnewi people. Madam, I said to go. See Okada. They are the importers of all Okada now. They are importers of Okada. There is market everywhere. That's the thing. So busy here. Nnewi. Factory nursing. Side university, side teaching hospital.
But yeah, this side you man
I just have Igwe's palace. Let's go and see the man that is the only indigenous car assembly, no? Eh?
Try mama big bag.
How na ya jumad now?
For heritage now. I know it's this side also. When you have to try here foods. The here foods are when they not go over you 30 years.
That's a shade to Ndi Nogoro Obodo for 30 years. Good afternoon, sir.
I na jabe Oris. Igwe.
Oris family.
Igwe Oris.
The road.
Okay. Thank you. See houses, madre. Never capital and they did this all on their own.
Yes.
You could no.
Build a house and you live now.
Millions.
Sell everything you have yet.
Land will be upwards of 50 million. Or even more, because even in no do you know that They bought the land for their 50 million in almost around about. Not to talk of this Nnewi that has seen money. Their eye don't red. Look at block of flats.
They made, there was a meeting.
This one that looks like a hotel.
They don't sell land. No new. Come and buy and develop.
They don't sell land to non-indigens.
Yes.
Why?
They needed their people to come home.
To come home and build.
And develop their place.
Akulono, look at. It's impressive. Oh no, I didn't see it.
Hey, I see it now. Go switch.
Otolo. So it's Otolo Nnewi. Otolo.
Otolo. One white man like that. One of those days came to Nnewi. Was it? Is he Otolo?
Otolo. I see Otolo Babukwega. I see Otolo Babukwega on you Otolo.
So people that left this community, I mean Otolo Nnewi for a long time. You're calling it Otolo.
Otolo? I'm from Otolo. Some of them will not recognize their hometown anymore. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah, KJ, madam, one year.
This threat is still familiar. Let's be going straight.
Let's be going straight now. Go for long.
Very good. Not you go for long. All going 40 something. Either 48
yes.
Years on the throne.
Yeah, on the throne, of course. Yeah, and my non that one full reason since so much. I can't forget with last year.
Then I didn't want to go and I'm going to
Sienna and I'm fuel. What up the from Lagos or Sienna? Now, one for half tank I race Lagos, not that easy.
Oh, the recent new one.
Okay.
Car Sicily, Gamas, hey, it's your Chajoka 4,000.
What?
I can't give you any man.
You know, chef fuel. When you going on a meter taxi, and when traffic light will be a mayor.
I will give you 9 hours. I'll give you 9 hours.
Okay, I see. Oh, he shows him no need to Dubai. So JP Kesher. Sure, Angela. We are all not was. Because I want 100. All from I'm wedding at Dubai. Hey, destination wedding. Man. Osigigi be say Setehaka after from all the way from Dubai. Mad. Okay, yeah. Afford me. Very nice, eh? This is Igboland's palace, the entrance. So my people, this is the front of Igboland's palace. You can see all the accolades on the billboards placed by the most prominent companies in Nnewi congratulating him during his last Ofala. Ofala is the yearly celebration of the king's coronation. That's the king's palace gate over there. Nnewi, when we went in there, it looked like just an Ofala arena. We did not see any building that looked like a palace in there. So where exactly is the palace? This is where I'll stop the first part of this Nnewi trip. In part 2, we will take you inside the palace grounds or Ofala arena, as the case may be. Ozobolo, Nnewi, yes. All that coming your way as soon as I finish typing the subtitles. Man, no be small something. Bye bye. See you soon.